Hello everybody, this is Frank Estrada, and in this video I'm going to talk with you about how to create your own profit generating systems. And it doesn't matter what stage you're at, whether you know a lot or know none, this is the video to watch. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to create your very own profit generating systems, okay? But before I get into that, make sure to push on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so y'all get notified whenever I make new videos for all of y'all, okay? So what is it that I mean when I talk about these profit generating systems? Well, they're systems that you put in place and you start making money online in a passive manner. It doesn't matter if you're actively working in front of the computer, if you're on vacations, if you're out of town, if you're out of the country. It doesn't matter as long as you put these systems into place, okay? So everything starts with traffic, okay? For y'all, traffic means people, okay? If we were at a brick and mortar store, the people who actively enter the building and come in and start looking at your merchandise and start interacting with you, those people are called traffic. It's the same thing in the online world, okay? Whoever comes to your sites, your offers, your trainings, your webinars, all those different things, whoever comes in there is traffic. The first thing that you want to do with this traffic is capture some contact information and start building your list of your potential buyers. Not everybody is going to buy right away, but at least if you have their information, you can continue interacting with them, and then sooner or later, as they grow know, like, and trust factor in you, they'll buy something from you later on, okay? So everything starts with traffic. It comes into what's called a landing page. On that landing page, you usually have like a headline. You have like a little free offer, like an appetizer, that is free. The only thing that it'll cost people usually is their email address, okay? You get their email address. That email address goes into a list. That list goes into an email autoresponder, okay? Once they enter in that email address, two things happen. Once, they go into the email autoresponder, and two, they go into your offer page, okay? There you can offer whatever you're selling, whatever opportunity is available to them, and sometimes they'll buy and sometimes they won't, but at least you have their contact information, okay? That is also called a thank you page. Now, once they are on your list, you start sending them series of emails, okay? These emails can be entertaining, or they can be informative, or they could be embedded with links to your other offers that you have, whether it be classes, webinars, Facebook groups, you name it. Those are ways that you interact with your customer base so that you start providing them with more value, and then they end up becoming buyers later on. Now, if you take all these different parts of this profit generating system, right? In the beginning, you have the landing page, which goes into your email autoresponder and which also goes into your offer, right? So there are some tools that you are going to need to build your online business. First, it's going to be the web page, all right? The web page is what helps you make your landing page, and it helps you go into your offer page. That's one part of it. Two, you're going to need an email autoresponder. That is like a digital bucket where every time they enter in an email address, it goes into that bucket. And then with your email autoresponder, you can start sending a series of emails with other offers or tips or trainings that you may have, okay? So those are two of the tools that you're going to need. The web page builder, and you're also going to need the email autoresponder. Also, on your landing page, you're going to need to have a lead magnet, okay? It's not really a tool, it's more so an asset. It's something that you exchange with somebody so that you can get their email address. When you give them that piece of value. They give you their email address, and now you start growing your email list. Okay, so you need the web page builder, you need the email autoresponder, and you need the lead magnet. Okay, another tool that's going to be very, very beneficial for you is a click tracking tool. What that does, it shows you where these different types of traffic are coming in from, whether they're coming in from your Facebook, your YouTube, from your paid ads. You're going to start seeing where these different clicks are coming from, and you're going to see where are you getting the most bang for your buck. Where are you getting most of your traffic from? Is it from your organic side? Is it from your paid side? Is it from your group? Is it from your channel? And as you start doing that, you can focus your efforts on what's working, and also focus on building more things on the areas that they're not. Okay, so those are 4 things that we covered in the profit generating cycle. The web page builder, we also talked about the lead magnet, we also talked about the email autoresponder, and the click tracking. Okay, now as complicated as that sounds, it really isn't once you are shown how to do it. Another thing, it might sound really expensive as well, adding in all these different tools and stuff. The thing is, you don't need to have the tools, but I highly recommend them, because what your first goal should be is building up the list, and you can build up the list with these tools. Now, to take away a lot of the frustrations and headaches with that, what if you could already get the landing pages done for you? What if you can get the emails already written out, done for you? What if, the click tracking, you had, specialized training that you can get it up and running in no time. Okay, and also the web page builder does have a free trial. The click tracking does have a free trial. We can provide you with the lead magnets that you need. At the click of a button, you can get this entire cycle downloaded into your account, ready to go. All you need to do is take out a link and put in your affiliate link, and that will be taught to you as well. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click on that link that I have down at the bottom in the description. Okay, the program is called Partner with Anthony. Once you sign up, make sure to send me a message, because I have some other bonuses that I can give as well, and I will be there to support you all the way. If you want to decrease your learning curve in anything that you want to do, what's the first thing you want to look for? A mentor, somebody who's been there and done that. Anthony Morrison is an 8-figure online business earner. Okay, and he has an opportunity to partner with you, literally partner with you. A lot of it is done for you. The setup is done for you. You just need to put it under your name, pretty much. So by partnering with Anthony, you're able to utilize his cycle, his system. You're able to utilize his name. Okay, Anthony Morrison is a big name in online marketing. He has all the tools and resources that you need to become successful at little to no cost. When you think about starting a business, franchising business with McDonald's or Burger King or Wendy's, you're talking about millions and millions of dollars. This could be like maybe $100 to get started, which is minimal to start and grow your online business. If that's something that interests you, make sure to click on that link and let's get your business rolling. Okay, so that's all it is I have for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. If you like this video, click on that like button. Okay, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Take care.